Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off Mistouch Prevention while we are using gestures in Realme 14x phone. First, settings. Next, in settings we are looking for system and update menu. Next, we need to go to system navigation, and this option is exclusive to gestures, so we need to switch to them, or when we are using them, the option will be visible here. So Mistouch Prevention is here. We can enable or disable it using this switch right here. What does it do? From this very short explanation, gestures need 2 swipes to take effect in some full screen scenarios, example, watching videos or playing games. So we have the switch right here. I will go back to buttons, and that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.